Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special in store for you. Get ready to discover 5 easy dye skincare hacks for gorgeous skin. Let's dive right in. First hack is exfoliation. Exfoliating coffee scrub. Use ingredients like coffee grounds, coconut oil, sugar. It rejuvenates the skin. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant while the olive oil moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Now, hack number 2, hydration. Refreshing cucumber. Infuse your water with slices. Toner of cucumber, lemon, or even a mint leaves your skin not only look refreshing but will leave your skin looking plump and rejuvenated. Hack number 3, turmeric. It's all about natural glow. Simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of honey and a splash of milk. Apply on your face and leave it for 15 minutes and rinse off. Beautiful glow in no time. Hack number 4, magic of aloe vera or dye sheet masks. Use cotton pads or compressed sheet mask. Soak them in a blend of green tea, aloe vera and rose water. Cost effective and spa-like appearance it is. Hack number 5, energizing green tea and eye pads. Revitalize tired eyes with 1 energizing green tea pads. Place steeped green tea pads or chilled cucumber slices on your eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. And before applying all these remedies, you should do a patch test, okay? And there you have it. 5 amazing dye skincare hacks for gorgeous skin. I hope you enjoyed this quick rundown. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty and skincare tips.